it good anymore?
All right, y'all, this is a monumental event. We have never owned or used a microwave, so Enola is going to learn how to use a microwave to make popcorn today, so let's tune in.
So we opened up our popcorn, right? And now we're gonna put it in the microwave. Palomitas, that's popcorn. There's a button special for it. Can you hit that first one?
Big girl.
Big girl. And then this is the start button. And now it's gonna make a noise and it's gonna cook our popcorn. It's gonna go. That's the popcorn kernels. A couple burns. Is it good anymore?